So welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at gold for this weekly analysis. So just to pay attention to what time frame we're looking at the daily here. And what I wanted to just say is that we've actually closed very strongly above with a bullish engulfing candle above the monthly key level that we have at 1421. Now this is significant because this could potentially spark the buyers to come back now and fight off all selling pressure, right? So this one candle has taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days worth of price action. Now that is obviously significant. So like I said, this could potentially be the point where we now are looking for pushes to the upside now further, right? Okay, so if we take to the 4 hourly, just to get a bit more specific, I'm just going to delete all of previous week's analysis. So this is all done last week. If you want to check out how well we did with gold, go ahead and check out the profit update video from last week, which will explain all the entries for all of the pairs in one big go. So back to gold. So we're now on the 4 hour time frame, and what's interesting to say right now is we're halfway between triggering our entry for gold for the long. So what I want to see from here is if we can get back into our blue zone here, and then have a strong candle to the upside, and that would be a signal for us to buy around this region, and we would head up to here as our first take profit. Now if we fail to get back into this zone, and for instance we manage to close higher up, so if something happens like this, we'll be waiting for the close above and hopefully a retest before we head higher. So that's what I will be anticipating for the gold for the long bias. But with all scenarios, we have to also take into account of the other possibility is if we fail to close inside of the zone and we end up closing below, then I'll be looking for rejection from the zone and a push to the downside, and we will come to retest the monthly key level at 1421. So that would be our selling orders. So with that being said, the analysis for this is taken majority from the daily sentiment. So we're just waiting for the correct confirmation that we need for our strategy and our trading plan, and to get in our trades. Sorry, just doing this for a quick second. Just to quickly show you our Twitter page, we post all of our updates on there, so it's a chance to see how we're entering on a 4 hourly basis, daily basis. So you get to see our entries and then a quick analysis on the top. So there's nothing too big-winded, like so it's easy to understand. Good for beginners to kind of get into trading. So if you're interested in looking into trade with my strategy, just follow my Twitter handle at KMTRADERS _, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, just to get for your weekly notifications for our analysis. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you next week.